In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download DuckDuckGo browser. If you're looking for a fast, privacy-focused browser that blocks trackers and makes private searching simple, this is a great choice. We'll keep it straightforward and stick to the essentials while giving you a few helpful tips so you feel confident throughout. First, open your current web browser on your Windows computer. In the address bar at the top, type duckduckgo.com/app and press enter. This takes you to the official DuckDuckGo download page. It's important to use the official site to avoid outdated or altered installers from third parties. You should see a clean page that highlights the DuckDuckGo browser and lists platforms. Make sure you notice the secure padlock icon in your browser's address bar and that the address exactly matches duckduckgo.com/app. On this page, look for the option for Windows. You'll see a clearly labeled button that says Download for Windows. Go ahead and click that. That's the key action to start the download. The website will prepare the installer and your browser should begin downloading the file automatically. Depending on your browser, you might see the download progress at the top right, the bottom bar, or in a dedicated Downloads panel. If your browser asks where to save the file, the default Downloads folder is fine. Some browsers may display a quick safety prompt asking you to confirm the download of an installer. This is normal for executable files from trusted sources. Confirm to proceed and let the download finish. The file size is typically modest, so on a stable connection it should complete quickly. While the download runs, don't close your browser. If you want to double-check you're getting the legitimate installer, confirm again that the page address is duckduckgo.com/app and that the connection is secure. The same page also offers links for other platforms, like macOS or mobile, but today we're focusing on Windows only. Once the download completes, you now have the DuckDuckGo browser installer saved on your computer. That's it for the download. If you need to find it later, open your Downloads folder or check your browser's Downloads list to locate the installer file you just saved. From here, you're ready for installation whenever you want to proceed. To recap, you went to the official site at duckduckgo.com/app, then clicked the Download for Windows button and allowed your browser to complete the download. You've successfully downloaded the DuckDuckGo browser. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more private browsing experience.